Now we divide 966 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 6 and it is 26. 7 times 3 is 21. On subtracting we get 5. So now this 5 is less than 7. So we put down this 6 and it is 56. 7 times 8 is 56. On subtracting we get 0. So 966 divided by 7 is 138. So this much for today and thanks for watching.